There was a time when my eyes were getting so weak that everything around me became a blurry mess. I finally went to see a doctor, and they told me I was suffering from severe vision decline with a real risk of developing cataracts. It absolutely terrified me. I knew I had to find a solution, but it needed to be something affordable that I could easily do every single day. That is when I discovered this. First, we are going to need a ton of carrots. Just kidding, 2 carrots are actually more than enough. They are cheap, super convenient, and you can buy them literally anywhere. Carrots are packed with beta-carotene, which is a powerful antioxidant that our body naturally converts into vitamin A. Why does this matter for your eyes? Because inside your retina, vitamin A joins forces with a protein to create something called rhodopsin. Think of rhodopsin as a night vision pigment. It is exactly what helps your eyes absorb light and allows you to see clearly when the room goes dark or when you are driving at night. Without enough vitamin A, that night vision shield starts to weaken, making everything look incredibly blurry. But it gets even better. Carrots also contain lutein and zeaxanthin. These two are like a pair of natural sunglasses built right into your eyes. They accumulate in your retina and lens, absorbing harmful blue light from phones, TVs, and the sun. More importantly, they protect your eyes from oxidative stress, which is the main culprit behind age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. By drinking this regularly, you are constantly feeding your eyes the exact nutrients they need to keep your lens clear and strong over time. Now that the carrots are all chopped up, all we need to do is juice them. If you do not have a juicer, do not worry at all. You can just use a regular blender and then run the mixture through a strainer to get the fresh juice. Or if you actually like the taste and the crunch, you can just eat the whole carrots raw. Now, to get the absolute best results for your eyes, consistency is key, but you also need to do it the right way. So, how much should you drink? Just one small glass of about 4 to 6 ounces a day is perfect. You do not need to drink gallons of it. In fact, 3 to 4 times a week is the sweet spot. Drinking it every single day without a break might lead to a harmless condition called carotenemia, which is basically when your skin, especially your palms and soles, turns a bit yellowish from all that beta-carotene. If that happens, do not panic. Just pause drinking the juice for a few days and your skin tone will go right back to normal. The best time to enjoy this drink is in the morning, right before or during your breakfast. Here's a pro tip that most people miss. Always pair your carrot juice with a little bit of healthy fat. You can eat a few nuts like walnuts or almonds or add a tiny drop of olive oil straight into your juice. Why? Because vitamin A is fat soluble. It absolutely needs fat to be properly absorbed into your body, so adding that tiny bit of fat maximizes the benefits for your vision. Of course, carrots are not the only superheroes for your eyes. To give your vision the ultimate boost, you want to mix things up with other incredible fruits and vegetables. Dark leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are absolute powerhouses, loaded with lutein to protect your retina. If you want to switch up your juice recipes, try adding sweet potatoes or pumpkins, which are also rich in beta-carotene. For a massive dose of vitamin C to protect your eye blood vessels, throw in some citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, or even bell peppers and strawberries. And do not forget about avocados and blueberries. They are bursting with antioxidants that improve blood flow to the eyes and fight off fatigue from staring at screens all day. Mixing these into your weekly routine will give your eyes the absolute best shield possible. By the way, how are your eyes doing lately? Are you dealing with any blurriness or strain, or maybe you are just trying to keep your vision sharp? I truly care about your health and want to help you as much as I can, so please feel free to share your story with me in the comments below. And out of curiosity, which country are you watching this video from right now? Drop a comment and say hi. I would absolutely love to connect with you.